Welcome to the unboxing of the Joilcan NH70 67-inch tripod. I really wasn't in the market for an expensive pro tripod, so I bought this one for $26.99 on Amazon after seeing it had favorable reviews. At first glance, the box and branding look very well done. I was also impressed with the carry case that it came in. Plenty of room for your tripod and little goodies. Well, this is the part to hold your cell phone that clamps on top. And let's see what else is inside the bag. All right, we have... Unzip, come on. Your tripod. The top assembly and the handle and other parts. Don't eat this, okay? Good. A remote for your camera. Very clear instructions come with it. Kylo's helping me put on the little feet in the top assembly. And we'll screw in the handle here. Everything feels very sturdy. It's a very strong plastic. I'm very impressed with this. This handle gives it the ability to tilt forward and backwards. This little knob will let you set your shot to be horizontal or vertical. And this knob will loosen it to let you pan. Quick release clamps to extend the legs. They're a little stiff at first, but get easier to open as you open them a few times. As you see, the panning's very smooth. A lot smoother than I expected. Up and down, very smooth. So, very good tripod for the price of it. And our little blooper, Kylo.